All right, so next problem I'm having on this 2006 Honda CR-V is a long crank, no start. I already tested the fuel pump. I can hear it kicking on. I can hear the fuel pump relay kicking on, which I'll show you in a minute. I checked the fuses. I did a fuel pressure test. Everything's fine. So my thing is, it's got to be the crankshaft position sensor, which is right underneath here. So this is the passenger side of the car. So you go underneath. All right, so I do have a whole shop inside, but I'm doing this to show you that you can do it outside. 110 millimeter. Now sometimes they do let it get stuck. Let's give it a little wiggle. Sometimes you got to go in there with the pry tool, which I might have to. Give me 1 second. There we go, it's out. You do have to be careful because they will break inside.